Hey guys, Nicole here from Mom's Pocket Survival Guide or MomsPSG.com. Today I'm going to unveil this new cool bag I found for my son. It is from a brand called Kaos, Kaos, and they have an online website and then they have warehouses out of Norway and Sweden. And what's incredible is I bought this bag. I found it through, I think it was like Scandinavian website. Anyways, and they shipped it to me in a week. I was so impressed. The whole idea, premise of this company is that they're trying to bring back Scandinavian design with functionality, but at an affordable price. And I know kind of Scandinavian design is really hot. Now, my son is 18 months, and I've been reading up, and they say a kid can have a backpack between they start around the age of 1. I don't know how useful this will be for him right now, but I thought it was really cool, and I wanted to check it out because I'm highly interested in their diaper bag for myself later on. So I wanted to test a smaller product there right now to see what I thought of their brand. So they ship it to you in this cute little bag. Well, this is their logo. So let's try this. Here we go. Sorry, I'm making you dizzy here. So you can see it's Kaos. That's their logo. And then it's wrapped inside. So we're going to open this up and see what we think. Now, it's a wax-coated canvas, which I really like. So it has this really cool look. I'll pull this away so you can kind of see. They have their logo here, and they have their custom thing, which I really love. It's like a copper or rose gold kind of finish. And then it has a trim here. I believe this is leather or leather-like material that they trim, and it has a great little front pocket. Now, like I said, they're really known for their diaper bag, but it's got a good size front pocket, which is really nice for putting things in. And what I really like is this is actually a kind of like a nylon, so it's easy to wipe. And you know, with kids, putting kind of snacks or something in there, you always want that. 2 little slip pockets, which I really like, are very nice for putting in their water bottle. Quick, easy grab. And then it has these canvas straps. But what really sold me on this bag is the clips on the back. So it has a nice unclip. Harder for them to get undone, which is good, but a chest strap. So it's going to really balance that weight, and it's going to allow the child to grow with it and position it in certain places. Then it has right here a little slip that you actually can put in their name and their identification. And then a little hook for when you close it so it stays closed. Put it right down here and you pull it like that so it doesn't come undone, so that they're not pulling it and things aren't falling out. It also has a beautiful little like old-fashioned like rucksacks trim. So you can tighten this and pull and cinch it. Good size compartment space, which I really like. Now I'm comparing this. What I also was looking at was a fall raven bag. Now again, you can feel that wax coated canvas in there, treated. It does have a unique, I will say, unboxing it, there is a slight aroma to it that I don't really love, but it might just be something that wears off on time. It could be part of the treatment. And it has a really nice, good slip pocket inside. So you can see there's that, as well as the main compartment. What I like is that this is easy just to throw things in, pull out. And I love bags that are not black lined on the inside because I find it very hard to find things. Where it's light colored, it's easy to find. The thing is, I think this could be easily washable. The only thing I'm not 100% sold on is this material here. I have to look up what that is. It doesn't feel as good of quality, but I won't complain. All in all, by the time I was done with shipping, coming from Sweden or Norway, the bag cost $40, which I think, depending how you look at it, could be a little pricey for a kid, but this is a bag I feel that would last and grow with him over time. And they even have the beautiful, didn't show you this before, but the trimmed hardware right here too. It's really nice. That has that kind of gold, rose gold look, or copper look, if you will. I like to think of copper just because he's a guy and it reminds me of brew kettles. But anyways, yeah, so that's really the bag. Thanks for listening.